They're all dressed up. Even Ryan Winkle looks good. There you are. There you are, friend. The toughest job right now in America is not serving in Congress. It's whoever has to judge this contest of who's going to win Mrs. Philippines of Arizona. In all seriousness, I know that this community is growing so fast.
Salamat si Imelda. Uy, si MBTV. Nandito ako sa sa Layasan.
Is good for our state, good for our business community, good for our cultural diversity. And I just want to say thank you for the Filipino community for all you do for the state of Arizona. I was able to go to the Philippines last month. I was in Manila.
Oh, wow!
I was there with Democrats and Republicans. And I want to say something, and that's this. Democrats and Republicans don't agree on a lot of things these days, but we do agree on the importance of a strong United States-Philippines relationship. Economic, military, it is good for both, and this community I know supports that tremendously, as do I. Have a great evening. Best of luck to all the contestants. Have a great night.
It's MBTV.
MBTV USA, shout out from Arizona.
All right, everybody. Hope that everybody's enjoying your dinner. How's the food? Okay, so for our entertainment pleasure, we have a few invited guest performers. And so first, let me call on Arizona's Desert Diva, Miss One and Only. What's her name? Isa pa nga. Let's all give a round of applause to Marian Alcorbo to sing us her rendition of Natural Woman by Aretha Franklin.
Silent ko to pag may music, guys. Kagwapo po. May mga, ito mga gwapa ko dahil ng mga friends. Sisiyo. Ang friend kong gwapa. Ayan. Yan, si Rowena, si